How to make text bigger on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make text bigger on a Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Snapchat application on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. On the section you get the Snapchat Plus feature, select that. Now tap the next button and you have to be the Snapchat Plus subscriber. After subscribing into this feature, you will be able to make your text bigger on Snapchat. But if you want to make your Snapchat text bigger without using the premium feature, simply you have to head into the settings icon on your device and then scroll down. Tap display and brightness option, scroll down and select font. On this section, you will see the font size. Simply with the help of the slider, you can make it to the large or medium or to extra large as well. You can see the preview of the feature and after that, you need to come back and see that your text will be bigger on Snapchat as well. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.